Westwood High is represented this evening by Team Captain Tiana Brown, Akiva Powell, Amika Scott, and Isania Robinson. While Morant Bay High is represented by Danae Edwards, Tavane Sterling, Darrell Barnes, and Kavasha Stewart, the team captain. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the 20th match here in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Morant Bay High won, but decided to let Westwood High go first. So ladies, we begin with Westwood High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. We have it. So Westwood will begin with art. Which Jamaican artist created the 1968 painting The Hanging of George William Gordon?
Barrington Watson.
Correct. Art from Morant Bay. Which Jamaican artist created the 1960 painting Peace and Love?
Cyril Broughton.
No. Osmond Watson. Local Affairs, a visual one for Westwood High. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Nice. Marlene Street Forest. Good.
Marlene Street Forest.
Managing Director of the Stock Exchange. That's correct. Morant Bay, your local affairs question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Christopher Zucker.
Christopher Zucker.
No, it's Bruce Bowen, the CEO of NCB, Jamaica. Principles of business. What is the name, Westwood, for a company's financial statement that summarizes the revenues, costs, and expenses incurred during a specified period?
Bank statement.
Bank statement.
No, it's a profit and loss statement. Principles of business for Morant Bay. What is the name for the total amount of income generated by the sale of goods or services related to a company's primary operations?
Revenue.
Revenue.
Correct. Music and audio one for Westwood. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
Girls, French girls too, but when it comes to loving, I give the credit to you.
My girl.
I know My Jamaican Girl by the Gay Lads. Music for Morant Bay. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
Sometime.
No, Feel Like Skank, Luton Fire. General knowledge, Westwood. In the United States, in what month is Labor Day celebrated?
May.
No, it's in September. General knowledge from Morant Bay. In Canada, in what month is Thanksgiving Day celebrated?
December.
No, it's in October. Theatre and cinema, a visual for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Charles Melton. Charles Melton.
Melton?
Charles Melton.
Correct. Theatre and cinema from Morant Bay. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Bruce Matthews.
No, it's the Incredible Hulk, Mark Ruffalo. Bible knowledge, Westwood. What did John the Baptist eat while preaching in the wilderness?
Wild locust and honey.
Wild locust and honey.
Correct. Bible knowledge, Morant Bay. What disability did Bartimaeus have that Jesus healed?
Blindness.
Correct. Sport or visual one for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Joseph Robinson.
Joseph Robinson.
Patrick Patterson. Sport for Morant Bay. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
John Keynes.
John Keynes.
No, Nehemiah Perry, both former Jamaican and West Indies bowlers. Biology for Westwood. What human organ keeps the amount of fluid constant in your body?
Kidney.
Kidney.
Correct. Biology, Morant Bay. What vitamin is produced when you are exposed to sunlight by special cells in your skin?
Vitamin D.
Correct. English language for Westwood. Identify the part of speech of the word in, I-N, as used in this sentence. It's in the box.
Preposition.
Preposition.
That's right. English language for Morant Bay. Identify the part of speech of the word that as used in this sentence. That house belongs to me.
Pronoun.
No, it's an adjective. Geography for Westwood, and we won't have time. That's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Westwood High on 6 points, Morant Bay High on 3. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Stay with us. Schools Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.